Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the Orico 2.5 to 3.5 hard drive adapter. Now we had to update one of the hard drives on one of the workstations around here, and it's a little bit older, so it doesn't have a slot like the newer machines to put an SSD. So we had to buy one of these converters and wanted to unbox it with you guys. Let's go ahead and show you guys the box. All right. There's everything on the back. Nice and simple. Looks like this is all it comes with. Oh, alright. Pretty simple. Diagram. Oh, wasn't expecting it to open this way. Nice of them to include installation instructions. I don't know how many people watch our videos that speak Chinese, but there's the instructions. Okay, screws. That'll be very handy. The website makes it look like it's made out of metal, but it's clearly made out of plastic. But it's got these nice fins. It said it was for airflow. All right. Decent circuitry back here. Okay. It's got its branding right there. That's always good. Let's see how well it fits a 2.5 drive. Push it in. Perfect. Slides in. And then this becomes a 3.5 hard drive for an older workstation. I do believe that is the end of our unboxing. Let us know down in the comments what you would like us to unbox next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.